Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Hope you all are doing well. In today's online class, have a look and outline syllabus for annual exams. Learn all the work. These are all included in your annual exams and prepare it carefully. Now open your book. Firstly, have a look on Unit 2, Monster. Hope you remember. That have been covered in month of August. Revise all the exercises which you have done in your book and your copy. Now, on Unit 3, I want to eat. That have been covered in month of August and September. Practice all the work which is done in your copy and book. Now, Unit 4, Checkup Time. Unit 4 checkup time you have covered in month of September. Revise all the work. Next, Unit 7 out in space, which is done in month of November. Learn all the exercises this unit. Then Unit 11 problems, that is done in your copy in the month of January and March. Revise all the work. Next, Unit 13, which is what annoys, which is done in month of April. Hope you remember. And in last, Unit 14, writing a diary, which you have recently done. All the question answer, exercises, word sentences will be included from the given units. Here you can see translation. Do practice uses of these and those are, uses of pronoun, uses of preposition. These are all included in your annual exam. Well, picture composition given in your book and which you have done in your copy, book page number 18, page number 45 and page number 62. These pictures are included in your annual exam. Then definition based exercises from the definition of noun, pronoun, verb. Learn the definition and revise carefully. The dictation words included from book page number 10, 11, 38, 39, 70 and 71. Read these pages and learn it the spelling difficult words. Then the spelling of difficult words. Now, oral activity included reading Unit 2 lesson 3, Unit 3 lesson 3, Unit 7 lesson 3, Unit 13 lesson 3. Learn the units carefully and read. Then general knowledge, all the general knowledge work will be included. Thoroughly learn and memorize the GK question. Okay, my dear students, that's all from an English online syllabus. Revise all the mentioned work carefully and prepare yourself for exams. You have already covered all these topics earlier. Memorize and practice the English grammar and English textwork. Wish you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.